Hey YouTube, so today we're gonna be talking about some of the trades that I took this week and how I was able to be profitable in the markets. My goal is not for me to only share with you some of the trades that I took this week, but I want you to understand how I took the trades and what's the thinking process behind taking these trades so that you can also learn these valuable skills. One thing I'm against is people paying mentors for signals and then they just using signals without understanding the markets really, because that can be a bit risky. So we're gonna be talking through some of the trades that I took, how I analyzed the market and how I reached the decision and where I entered and where I exited in the market. So the first thing we're gonna be discussing today, or what we're gonna be discussing today, is USD JPY, right? So one thing you want to do every day before you even start your week is to analyze the market and identify key areas in the market. We'll be using TradingView to analyze USD JPY. So what I usually do is I start on a higher time frame and then analyze the market going down. I usually start on the weekly time frame to identify those key areas whereby we are likely to take trades on, right? And then so here when I opened the weekly time frame, I was able to see a very important area over here. So this area has been respected by the market a few times. The market respected it once, two, three, four, five, six, more than six times, right? So this is a very important area. If because when the week started, the market was somewhere around. It was somewhere around here when the week started. It was somewhere around here. It was going towards this area over here, so I knew that here it's either it was gonna break, retest, and then we'll be looking for buys to the upside, or it was gonna show us some kind of rejection and then the market will go down. So this is what I was already anticipating if prices came back to this area over here. So I draw this area over here, and here I was able to draw a bit of a trend line over here. I drawn this trend line over here, and if you can see over here, the trend line was broken over here and then it retested. You could take your buys over here all up to the upside to this area over here, but I didn't take this trade because I didn't see it. But anyway, I'm gonna be showing you the trade I took today on the 22nd of October 2021. So you go to your 4 hour 18th October. So when the week started, prices were already somewhere over here near this area of ours. So this is when the market started, right? So you could see over here that the market was kind of failing to break this area over here, right? And you could see that okay, it was gonna reject because it came and then went down and then it came again and then went down. So I was like, okay, let me wait for it and see if it's gonna break or not, right? If it does break this area over here, that means I'm gonna take buys, but if it does not, I'm gonna take sells. So I waited for the market and then it moved, and as it was moving, I went down to the 1 hour time frame. And if you see a 1 hour time frame, the market created some sort of an important area over here, because this market went up and then it came down. This area acted as support. Market went up, came down, area acted as support again, went up, and then here it acted as support again, and here it went down, and then it went up, went down. So here I was gonna take a trade here, but there was no confirmation candlestick. Remember, we're using price action and confirmation through candlesticks, so I just waited for it, right? And when it went up, I had my little trend line over here. So what I was anticipating is we had the first touch over here, the second touch over here, and then the third touch. When I saw this third touch over here, I wanted to sell, but unfortunately I wasn't looking at the market when this third touch happened. So now I was waiting for the second thing, for the market to break this area over here and then retest, and then that's when we're gonna take ourselves, right? So I waited for the market patiently, And as I was waiting for the market patiently, I saw it broke down, and then it retested, gave us some sort of a bearish engulfing candlestick over here, and then that was my confirmation to enter. I had my stop loss just above this area over here, and then my take profit over here. And as you can see, guys, we were able to make some sort of profits, and the price, the market is about to reach our stop loss, but the market is closed by now. But hopefully when the market opens Monday, I'm gonna close all the positions I have, because I don't want to risk everything. And as you can see, we put our take profit just at the lowest low, or the previous low we can see over here. So this is the low that I could take. So actually here prices can go all the way down until this area over here. As you can see, that the market was respecting this trend line I had over here, and then it broke. Now we can expect the prices to go all the way down to here. So I hope you found that valuable and you learned a lot. Please drop a comment, ask a question if you have a question. Comment, say we're eating, guys, we're changing the situations at home. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you subscribed, and